Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn how to make this quick and easy Liberian Jollof recipe, stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So for my ingredients, I have the Goya bell pepper mix, some mixed vegetables, tomato paste, and in that bag is cabbage and carrots and bell peppers that I had made the other day. Some stir fry. So this is the leftover. It was frozen. And then I have two habanero peppers, hot dogs, and chicken breast. So these are the seasonings that I will be using. Flavorful color. Oh my god, look how perfect this onion is. One side literally just open up like all that black pepper for no reason. So for this next step, I actually went ahead and washed my rice like I usually would, and then in a separate bowl, I let it sit for 30 minutes in hot water. I added some cabbage pieces because I love me some cabbage. So this part right here is optional. I was in a rush and there's excess liquid in my food, so I'll use a plastic bag to, suck up the moisture. Believe it or not, it actually worked. As you can see, this is after the plastic, and we're pretty much done. So there are different ways to make this, but this is pretty much the final result. This recipe took about 35 minutes to make. To me, that's pretty quick because if you're African and you're cooking, it takes forever, like hours. But this was really quick, so and it looks good and I ate it all.